This time on PPP Answers, peak performance with pods. Here are some bottom lines for pods. Some taste great black or with a dash of the right milk. If you want a milk drink, go with fresh over UHT. If you're using soy, almond or oat alternatives, use the barista versions as they're specially formulated to pair with coffee. If you're a latte fan, buy a machine with a milk wand or get a separate standalone unit. You might think latte art would be out with pods. In fact, the crema on our Fusion blend is thick enough for the milk to cut right through, and the steaming tech on some brands like this Creatista are easily consistent and smooth enough to pull off a thing of beauty. When it comes to temperature, some people flush the machine first, but remember each cup will be hotter than the last. And if you want a larger cup, don't be afraid to press lungo and repeat with a fresh pod. Drinkmorning.com curates some of the best coffees out there, and it's a good place to discover some high pointer pods. We also like St. Ali, Kelowna and April coffee. They match the high standards we set ourselves with Fusion and the rest of the Supernova range. Keep watching PPP Answers to find out more about pods and get useful hacks from Planet Coffee.